The results that we obtained through our interpro analysis provided information regarding the different domains, different superfamilies, and possible unstructured or disordered residues that were there in our protein structure. Remember that we were unable to predict the subcellular localization or the cellular component or the location in the cell in which the protein functions, and hence we will use a specific tool or server which allows for the identification of subcellular localization of a particular protein, and the server's name is Cello, which is a subcellular localization predictor. So how does Cello work? Cello uses a machine learning algorithm which is known as the support vector machine. Now, briefly regarding support vector machine, it is important to note that a support vector machine utilizes a test case and an experimental case. So, the algorithm is trained using a set of test cases, in this case sequences, and the experimental set is used to predict the accuracy. Higher the accuracy, better the result in context of a support vector machine based prediction. Cello uses 4 types of sequence coding schemes: amino acid composition, dipeptide composition, partitioned amino acid composition, and the sequence composition based on the physicochemical properties of amino acids. And a combination of the predictions from all these data taken together is considered to be as the input vector, which is run through several SVM classifiers, and finally we come out with a prediction of the localization of the sequence that we have submitted. Now remember, from the predictions of CDD as well as from Interpro, we were able to understand that most the sequence that we are using as our test sequence is of eukaryotic origin. So here what we will do is we will choose the organism set as eukaryotes, and we will reset the sequence, and we will paste our test sequence over here. Here. So our test sequence is pasted, and then we can click on submit. Let us see what results we can get based on the algorithm of Cello. Here. So the prediction that Cello provides us with clearly tells us that the localization of the protein, the sequence of which we have submitted, is nuclear. That means the protein, as we found out from our interpro analysis, is a nuclear DNA binding protein, and it is now from the Cello prediction we are able to understand that the localization is nuclear. That means it is functional in the nucleus of the cell. So this is an important takeaway point towards our final prediction of function and proper annotation and characterization of that particular protein.